Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Indeed as a beginner in 2026. Yeah, if you're new to job searching, this guide will help you get started step by step without confusion. First, open the Indeed app or website and either create an account or log in. You'll need an account to apply for jobs and save listings. Next, use the search bar to look for jobs. You can type job titles like cashier, teacher, or delivery driver. Now scroll through the job results and click on any listing that interests you to see full details. You can also use filters like job type, salary, or location. Yeah, this helps you find exactly what you're looking for faster. If you find a job you like, you can save it for later or click apply right away. This keeps your job search organized. Next, upload your resume or create one using Indeed's built-in tool. This makes applying much faster. After applying, you can track your applications in the My Jobs section. Yeah, this helps you see interview updates and responses. And that's how to use Indeed for beginners in 2026. Hopefully this guide helps you start your job search with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.